Today we're installing a Lonacam roof top fan and a hardcase awning on this KMC. Because it doesn't have a canopy, we're using a cyber rack to bring the truck bed up to the same level as the roof. Next, I'll show you how to install the awning and how you can easily open and close this post style model, even by yourself. Let's go!